Hi, I'm Rich Harvey at Propertybuyer. As we head toward Christmas, time seems to speed up, and buying property can seem a stretch too far as we head into Christmas parties. The home I'm currently living in was purchased just 3 days before Christmas many years ago. I found the ideal location and a motivated vendor willing to discount their price. I remember the very satisfying feeling of paying the deposit and the agent saying, "Congratulations, Rich, welcome to the neighbourhood." So why is December a good month to buy property? Christmas brings deadlines. Both buyers and sellers are more motivated to transact before December 25th. Vendors are motivated to find certainty, knowing that their property is sold for a specific price. While buyers are motivated by goals. They're keen to lock in their next home or investment and move ahead with their plans. Now, the property market will still be active right up until Christmas Eve this year. The good news for buyers is that prices are down 11% in Sydney and 7% in Melbourne, and Brisbane, Adelaide and Perth are just starting to trend down. The bottom of the market is most likely to occur in the first half of 2023, around the time that interest rates will peak. Now, I'm predicting that the RBA cash rate will top out next year at around 3.6%. One of the top research firms, SQM Research, have just released their 23 forecast predicting that Sydney will resume price growth of around 5 to 9% next year. So this forecast indicates the property market will move beyond the trough and into the recovery phase. So what are the top reasons to buy property in December? Firstly, vendors tend to be more motivated to sell. Secondly, there's less competition around from other buyers. They're likely to be at Christmas parties or other social events. Thirdly, agents are keen to wrap up the year with their last sale. Fourthly, the Christmas deadline helps create a sense of urgency for both the buyer and the seller. And finally, it's a time of year when people reflect on their life plans and goals. If you're thinking it's too late to make a move this year, then think again. Some of the best buying takes place in December, and the rewards are significant. You get back your weekends, you can stop scrolling the property portals, you can stop running between open for inspections and missing out at auction. And you can secure your next property, move ahead with confidence with your life plans. If you're thinking about buying a property, please reach out to my team and we'd love to chat with you about your plans. I'm Rich Harvey, thanks for watching, and I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a fabulous New Year.